Hi, I'm Jessica Smith with Bland's Nursery in West Jordan, Utah, and today we're talking all about planting bulbs. Right now we're going to discuss how you plant a crocus. Crocus are one of the earliest blooming bulbs in the springtime. They will pop up even through shallow snow. It's going to kind of let you know that springtime finally has arrived after the long winter. Now, how to plant a crocus bulb really isn't any different than any type of a bulb. Again, you're going to plant it in the fall. It needs to go through that cold dormant time. Crocus looks really good when they're done in masses. One little bulb by itself really doesn't have a huge effect. You can plant them actually under your grass and let them pop up through the grass, or at the edges of your bed is really where they look the best, in my opinion. Now, a crocus bulb is actually a little corm, and this little guy has a little paper coat to him. You want that on it. It's not necessary, but it just helps, gives it a little protection right there. Your pointed end goes up, and what you want to do is plant to the depth of the width of the bulb, twice as deep as it. So here it is, about an inch or so, so you want to go about 2 to 3 inches down and plant it. Make sure that you mix some organic matter with your soil, like a nice compost, before planting. It's really good to let your mix your soil and then wait a few weeks to actually plant the bulbs at this time. You can mix a little bit of bone meal down around the base of the soil, and that's just a slow release phosphate. It's just going to help build the root systems and help with the flowers in the spring. In the spring, you'll kind of notice some little grass-like foliage coming up. This is your crocus, and out on top, little yellow, purples, whites, let you know that springtime's finally arrived.